Make a rectangle of any size you want, preferably 21 cm by 29.7 cm, as it's the standard A4 size paper measurement. Then extend the frame by 2 cm from each side as shown. In short, just make a border of 2 cm around the inner frame and cut it out. Use a craft knife to cut out the inner frame carefully. Then draw another rectangle with the measurements of the border and cut it out. This will be the back side of the frame. Next step is to color the frame with your favorite color. I chose black for my frame. I used watercolor pencils to darken the color of the frame. Now apply glue on 3 sides of the frame, leaving the top side open for inserting the picture. Use double-sided tape on the top side to seal the frame, and that is how you can reuse it again. I put my favorite picture in it, and this is how it looks. For the next frame, cut out a square with length as 24 cm. Divide it into 2 halves, that is 12 by 12 cm. Further divide the 12 cm half into 6 vertical parts of width 2 cm each. Do the same for the other half as well. Cut out the 2 halves and fold each part as shown. Now apply glue on the 5th part and stick the back side of the first part to the 5th one as shown. I know it's confusing, but if you rewatch it, you can understand it. Repeat this to get 4 parts. Now simply arrange the parts to make a frame and attach them with glue. Use tape as shown to keep all the parts together and steady. I made an aesthetic painting for the frame, and this is how it turns out to be. You can also cut out the inner parts of the frame, but I chose not to. To make it look better, you can paint it to any pastel shade, or you could just leave it black. In my opinion, yellow would look the best for this frame. So if you happen to recreate any of these ideas, then let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment down which frame you like the most, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.